Looking for the perfect Dyson vacuum? In this video, we review the top 5 Dyson vacuums of 2025. From powerful suction to innovative features, find the best option for your home. Stay tuned for an in-depth comparison to help you choose the right model. Number 5. The Dyson Digital Slim Cordless Vacuum is a compact, lightweight, and powerful cleaning tool that's perfect for everyday use. At just 4.4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver, especially for tasks that involve reaching high places or cleaning tight spaces. Despite its slim design, it delivers up to 40 minutes of strong, fade-free suction, which is ideal for quick cleanups and full-room cleaning alike. This vacuum shines in its versatile functionality. The motorized cleaner head tackles everything from hard floors to carpets, detangling pet hair and picking up debris with ease. The conversion to a handheld vacuum is seamless, making it great for stairs, upholstery, and even cars. The inclusion of specialized accessories like the crevice tool and combination tool adds to its practicality. The advanced filtration system is another standout feature, capturing 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns, perfect for allergy sufferers. I also love the LCD screen, which provides real-time updates on power modes, runtime, and maintenance needs. While the smaller dust canister requires more frequent emptying, the wall-mounted charging dock makes storage and recharging simple. Its quiet operation and thoughtful design are a big plus for everyday use. Overall, the Dyson Digital Slim is perfect for anyone seeking a lightweight, powerful, and efficient cordless vacuum, particularly for smaller homes or quick touch-ups. Number 4. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a powerhouse designed for homes with pets and high-traffic areas. With its detangling motor bar cleaner head, it effortlessly removes pet hair and dirt while preventing hair from tangling in the brush bar, a huge time saver for pet owners. Its whole machine filtration ensures allergens and particles are trapped inside, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. This vacuum offers 3 cleaning modes, allowing you to tackle everything from delicate rugs to high-pile carpets and hard floors. The radial root cyclone technology enhances suction power, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. The ball technology makes maneuvering around furniture and obstacles surprisingly easy despite the vacuum's 17.3-pound weight. The included stair tool and combination tool make cleaning stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces a breeze. While it's corded, the consistent power supply ensures reliable suction throughout longer cleaning sessions. Additionally, the washable filter and serviceable design make maintenance simple and cost-effective. Although the vacuum is on the heavier side, the performance and durability more than compensate. It's a smart investment for pet owners or anyone needing a robust cleaning solution. With a 5-year warranty and Dyson's customer support, the Ball Animal 3 proves its value and reliability. Highly recommended for deep cleaning and tackling stubborn messes. Number 3. The Dyson V5 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool that's perfect for modern homes. At 24% lighter than the V15, it's incredibly easy to handle and ideal for everyday use. The fluffy optic cleaner head is a standout feature, revealing hidden dust on hard floors with its green light, a game-changer for anyone obsessed with spotless surfaces. Additionally, the motor bar cleaner head handles all floor types and detangles long hair and pet fur, making it great for households with pets. Its intelligent power adjustment adapts to debris levels, while the LCD screen provides real-time updates on particle count, power mode, and remaining runtime, ensuring an efficient cleaning experience. The vacuum delivers 60 minutes of fade-free suction and is surprisingly quiet, allowing for cleaning without disturbing others. Weighing just 5.2 pounds, it's versatile enough to convert into a handheld vacuum for stairs, upholstery, or cars. The anti-tangle hair screw tool and 5 other accessories offer solutions for various cleaning tasks. The whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, expelling cleaner air. While it's an investment, the Dyson V5 Detect Slim combines innovative technology, durability, and ease of use. Whether for small apartments or pet-filled homes, it's a luxurious, highly functional cleaning companion. Highly recommended for those seeking lightweight performance and top-notch results. Number 2. The Dyson V1 Origin cordless vacuum is a powerful, versatile cleaning tool that delivers an impressive performance. With 60 minutes of runtime and 60% more suction power than the Dyson V8, it's designed for whole-home deep cleaning. This vacuum is ideal for tackling tough messes, pet hair, and hidden dust on various surfaces, including rugs, hardwood, and tiles. The motor bar cleaner head adapts seamlessly to all floor types, while the detachable handheld mode and included tools, like the hair screw tool and crevice tool, make it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. The whole machine HEPA filtration system ensures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns are trapped, leaving your home with cleaner air. The vacuum's LCD screen is a standout feature, providing real-time updates on battery life, power modes, and maintenance alerts. Although you must hold the trigger to operate it, many users find it intuitive and energy efficient. The dirt canister is spacious and easy to empty, making maintenance a breeze. While the battery life could be longer, the suction power and cleaning efficiency make up for it. Whether you're dealing with heavy pet hair or stubborn dirt, the Dyson V1 Origin is worth the investment. Its combination of power, design, and durability ensures it'll be a reliable cleaning companion for years to come. Number 1. The Dyson V5 Detect cordless vacuum cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking for an efficient, powerful, and convenient cleaning solution. I've been using this vacuum for a few weeks now, and I'm truly impressed by its performance. First off, the advanced HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles, which makes my home feel cleaner and the air fresher. I especially love how it automatically adjusts suction power based on the debris it detects, making it perfect for all types of surfaces. The LCD screen is a fantastic feature, displaying real-time information like the total particles picked up and remaining battery life. It's like having a smart vacuum that keeps track of your cleaning progress. The vacuum comes with specialized cleaner heads, including the fluffy optic for hard floors and the digital motor bar for carpets, making it versatile enough to handle all my floor types. The green light on the hard floor attachment blew me away. It illuminated so much dust I didn't even know was there. It's perfect for homes with pets, kids, or even if you just want an ultra-clean space. While the carpet cleaning attachment doesn't quite match the power of my old upright vacuum, it still does a solid job for regular maintenance. Overall, it's lightweight, easy to use, and makes cleaning a breeze. If you can afford it, I highly recommend this vacuum. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you choose the best Dyson vacuum for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and cleaning tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which Dyson model you're going for, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Happy cleaning!